Hey guys, welcome back to another Technify tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Notepad++. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the internet and we're just going to type in Notepad++ and press enter. And then we're just going to go to the top option where it says download Notepad++. And what it's going to do is just going to bring up a bunch of different versions of Notepad++. Now for this tutorial, I'm just going to get the latest one at the top. And on this page, it's just going to show basically a bunch of install options. And if you're not sure which one to go for, the easiest thing to do is just to click the big green download button. But in my case, I'm just going to go for the 64-bit installer version because that my computer is a 64-bit. So I'm just going to click on the installer. Now I'm actually just going to cancel that, as I've already downloaded this before, but in your case you want to just let that finish. So I'm going to go to my downloads folder, and once it's finished downloading, you want to double click on the install file. And if you get prompted with a box that says yes or no, you just want to select yes. And what it's going to do is just going to start bringing up this wizard box, and you just want to follow these steps through. So the first thing we're going to do is click OK. If you want to change your language, you can, but we're going to just leave it at English and click OK. And then you want to click next, and I agree with the terms and conditions, and click next again. Now if you want to change your destination folder, you can, but I'm just going to leave it as the C drive, and I'm going to click next. Now there's a bunch of options it gives here. I wouldn't change any of this unless you're more of an advanced Notepad user, but in our case we can just leave it as custom and just click next. And if you would like, you can create a desktop shortcut. So I will just for this tutorial. And then I'm going to click install. And that's just going to finish installing. It's a very quick, small file, so it shouldn't take long at all. And I'm just going to click finish. And there you go, that's it. So now Notepad's installed. You can just close this file. It just gives some information about when you first start using it. I'm just going to close it. And basically now it's ready to use. So it's that simple. I'm just going to close it now. And if you want to find it again, there should be a shortcut on your desktop. If it didn't create a shortcut, all you have to do is go to your start menu and just type in Notepad++, and it should show up there, and you can just get it from there. All right, well, I hope that was somewhat useful. It's a very simple install, like I said, but if you needed help with this, hopefully this helped. And if you have any more questions, just leave it in the comments below and I'll try and answer that as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and enjoy the rest of your day.